Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix too many attempts on Cash App. Let's get started. First of all, Cash App locks you out temporarily after too many failed login or transaction attempts. Wait at least 24 to 48 hours before trying again. Now, to be safe, reset your password. Open the app, then tap Forgot Password and follow the steps to create a new one. Make sure it's strong and unique. Cash App might require you to verify your identity. Go to the profile icon, tap Support, and upload any documents they request, like your ID. If the issue persists, contact Cash App support directly. Tap the profile icon, select support, and explain the problem. They will help you unlock your account. And that's it. Avoid multiple failed attempts in the future to keep your account safe. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.